Hello and welcome to today's video on descriptive statistics. In this video, we will explore what descriptive statistics is, why it is important, and how it can be used to make sense of data. So let's dive right in. Descriptive statistics is the branch of statistics that focuses on summarizing and interpreting data. It involves analyzing and presenting data in a way that makes it easier to understand and draw meaningful conclusions. With descriptive statistics, we can describe the main features of a dataset, such as the central tendency, variability, and distribution of the data. One of the main reasons why descriptive statistics is important is that it allows us to gain insights from data quickly and efficiently. Instead of combing through mountains of data, descriptive statistics provides us with a concise summary of the data, making it much easier to understand and interpret. This is particularly useful when dealing with large datasets or when time is of the essence. There are several key measures in descriptive statistics that help us understand and interpret data. One of the most common measures is the mean, which is the average of a set of values. The mean can provide a quick overview of the central tendency of the data. Another important measure is the standard deviation, which measures the spread or variability of the data around the mean. A high standard deviation indicates that the data points are more spread out, while a low standard deviation suggests that the data points are closer together. In addition to measures of central tendency and variability, descriptive statistics also includes measures of distribution. One commonly used measure is the frequency distribution, which shows how often each value occurs in a dataset. This can be presented graphically using histograms or bar charts. Frequency distributions can provide insights into the patterns and trends in the data. In conclusion, descriptive statistics is a powerful tool for summarizing and interpreting data. It allows us to gain insights quickly and efficiently, making it easier to make informed decisions based on data. By understanding the main features of a dataset, such as its central tendency, variability, and distribution, we can draw meaningful conclusions and make accurate predictions. So next time you have a dataset to analyze, remember the power of descriptive statistics.